Peace, family, peace. It's your brother Estevan, and I'm here to tell you how to be successful. I know you like successful. How do you know? Just give me some time. I'm gonna explain to you how to be successful. A lot of people don't know it's a mathematical equation to be successful, which is success equals preparation plus opportunity equals successful. Now, what do you mean? Let me break these things down to you. First, you need preparation. Preparation means you're already prepared before something happens. But let's break down this word preparation. It's pre. Pre means to do something beforehand. Par is just up to par. Like when you play golf, you got to just get to this basic number. But when you're dealing with something that's going to be successful, you want to do it above par. Ration. Now you see the word rate in there. That means it's at a speed. It's at a concurrenceness. It's at something that's coming over and over and over. That's the rate. But then you also see the word ration. That means there's going to be intervals of time that you're not going to do it. There's going to be intervals of time that you're constantly doing. Sometimes you can go faster. Sometimes you're going to go slower. Then look at the word TION. At the end of any word that has that, it means an action is taking place. But that TION needs to be charged by an ION, which is an ion, which means it's positively charged, moving forward and forward. So your preparation needs to be before prepared. It needs to be up to par, past par, by actions at a speed of rate that is charged by positiveness. Now, next, you need an opportunity. Opportunity doesn't knock but once in a lifetime. I guess that's what Eminem told me on 8 Mile. But you need to be prepared for this opportunity. So what is an opportunity? Op means opposition. That means there's going to be something that comes before you, after you, or during the time that you're trying to prepare. So there's going to be a problem. Or it could be operation. That means you're already ready for what's going on in an operation. If you work fast food, they're not going to put you on sandwiches if you haven't already learned French fries. So you got to prepare for this. Now you see port. This particular port means you're going to plug in. You're going to be jacked into this opportunity, into this moment of time that all of your being is ready for it to say, okay, let me be who I need to be. Then tune. During that time that you're in the port, you need to be in tune with it. You need to say, okay, this is who I need. Then it says unity, opportunity. That unity needs to be connected. It needs to be able to flow in and flow out. So when you're in your opportunity, in your moment, during the operation or against the opposition, you're in tune with what's going on. And those unified moment is there for who you need to be in that moment because you were prepared. Now you say it is equal to success. Now, success is not something that you get in one day, in one night. It takes 20 years to be an overnight success. So let's break down the word success. SUC. That means this thing gonna suck. At certain times, you're gonna be like, oh man, I finally arrived to be who I want to be, but I'm not happy being that person. So now you just keep grinding, going forward, moving forward, moving forward. But now you see SUCC. That means like to suckle. That means it's from like a teat as a child, that you're going to this moment where you've already arrived, but you're going to constantly get better and better and better. Then the ESS. Now we're looking at the word excess. Now, sometimes you have more, it says my cup runneth over, but no, you got to continue to go forward and be successful. That full in success means that you've completed something and you're full. You're no longer hungry. You've made it, but you got to start right back over at the beginning of the problem. So to be successful, right, at the beginning and the end of your problem, you got to be prepared. You got to make sure that this is your moment, that you plan, you've worked harder, you study harder than anybody else, and it's charged up with positiveness. When you get to that opportunity, you're in unison with the operations that's going on. You're fully committed to what's going to happen next because you know it's already coming because you already prepared for that moment. And now once you think you're successful, it did suck a little bit when you had to run those 100 miles to get to this one marathon. It did make you better. It did make you a little sad and a little disheartened at times. But now you've got to the point where that you are who you need to be. So I want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for this class. Thank you for everybody coming out. And once again, peace.